Multi-purpose rooms are typically large rooms with movable furniture, which allows them to transform for several different meeting types, such as training, presentations, workshops, and even traditional conferences. These rooms often have monitors and presentation spaces around the room and utilize more than one furniture layout. Automate VX allows you to store and recall room designs for each of your furniture layouts. You will need to make a room design for each of the configurations in which the room will be utilized. If you are using ceiling arrays, you will need to verify the microphone locations and positions for each furniture layout. It is important to work with the end user to understand how much each of these configurations is used. You should prioritize functionality for the most common and highest profile room uses. If presentations are going to be a common use case in the room, you will want to place auto tracker cameras in the room accordingly. Typically, there are 1 or 2 room orientations. Typically, there is nothing you need to do differently from a wiring standpoint for a multi-purpose room versus a standard room. The differences will be that there will be multiple room designs for the same space stored in the software on the system. A divisible room is typically a very large room that can be sectioned as more than one room with folding walls or sliding doors. The shape and size of the room can be changed easily and quickly to match the size of the event and the number of participants. These rooms need to be able to operate as standalone rooms and as a combined larger room. They often feature multiple presentation areas and multiple furniture layouts. In a divisible room, you will need a system per room that needs to operate independently. One system will be designated as the main system and will have a room configuration for when the room is combined in addition to when it is operating alone. The combined room configuration will use all of the cameras, and the divided will only use some of the cameras. It is typically helpful to use NDI cameras in these types of rooms because some of the cameras need to be accessible to multiple systems. If you are not using NDI cameras and an Automate VX Plus system, you will need to split the SDI signals of the cameras. As mentioned prior, you will need 2 systems. The main system will need to be able to access all of the cameras and all of the microphones that are needed when the room is combined. The independent system only needs cameras and mics for its operation.